Good afternoon, Mahogany Rise Primary School community. I am Acting Principal Andrew Schneider, and with me I have Acting Assistant Principal Jack Mazurek. Mr. Mazurek, Fun Sock Friday.
Yes, indeed. I've got my duck socks on this afternoon.
Yeah, let's taco about it. Got my taco socks on. All right, we're going to dive straight into the awards for this week. So, our school expectation for this week was be respectful. And one of the foundation students who were respectful this week was Helena. Helena for always using her manners during Google Meets and waiting patiently to speak to a teacher from Miss Mac. Well done, Helena.
And I've got another one from the foundation grade to Wilbur. Wilbur, for always being a kind and considerate friend during Google Meets. And Wilbur, you always wait your turn to share and listen respectfully when others are speaking. Well done, Wilbur.
Love that. From 1-2B, the award goes to Phoenix Day for learning to be respectful online by completing all tasks set first thing in the morning. Well done.
And another one from 1-2B. I have one for Harry Morgan, Mega H. Although I think he's changed his name now that he's turned 8. For listening to be a respectful online by completing all tasks set and completing them independently. There we go.
What's
Thank you.
bigger than Mega H?
I think it was Ultra H.
Ultra H.
But I might need to check with Harry about that. So.
Love that nickname. We came up with that on our show, you know. The next award for 1-2C, this one goes to Wade for giving online learning your best efforts and engaging respectfully with other students in your Google Meets. You are always waiting patiently with your hand up, ready to engage our class discussions. Well done, Wade.
All right. And to Carly from 1-2C for always using your manners and waiting your turn during on-site learning. You are a great role model for all students around you. Well done, Carly.
All right, moving on to the 3-4s. This is from my class. Oh, wait, Mr. Schneider doesn't have a class. That's not right. Silly. For Alia Marsden from 3-4D for attending our Google Meets and bringing along her kind and polite attitude. It is such a pleasure to see you joining in and remembering to be respectful, even in the online platform. Keep up the amazing work.
Okay, and to Nalene, for demonstrating how to be respectful when others are speaking. It is a pleasure to see the example you consistently set for your peers. Well done, Nalene. That is fantastic.
Love it. From 3-4E, this award goes to Violet. I really appreciate how you demonstrate being a respectful member of our grade every single day. Violet, you are such a great role model to others. You consistently listen and always raise your hand when you want to talk. Thank you very much, from Mrs. Gunstone.
And another one from Mrs. Gunstone's class, Delonte. Delonte, you have been an absolute superstar working with Mrs. Lachlan during remote learning. Thank you for displaying respect by putting your hand up to contribute and using appropriate language. Massive congratulations. Well done, Delonte.
Love that from Delonte. All right, into the 5-6s. This one's from 5-6F, and it goes to Dominic Masters. Dom, it has been so wonderful to see the effort you have been making to join the Google Meets. Mr. Mazurek, turn your phone off, please.
Sorry.
To join the Google Meets and find the work. Thank you for all your contributions. Keep up the amazing work, from Mrs. Barry.
All right, and another one from 5-6, Miss Barry. Kaya, I have really appreciated your participation in Google Meets and your respectful contributions. I love that you persisted with your maths work and the lesson, even though you couldn't hear the lesson. Keep up the great work.
Wow, that's a super effort.
Fantastic.
Amazing. All right, from 5-6G, this award goes to Alex Kapai. Thank you for displaying our school's expectation of being respectful when you came back to on-site this week. We loved having you here. From Miss O'Neill. Excellent stuff.
And another one from Miss O'Neill to David. David, we are loving having you join our Google Meets every morning. Thank you for displaying our school's expectations of being respectful by listening to your teachers. Well done, bud.
Oh, love it. Bud at the end of that.
Oh.
Love that. All right, this one's for intervention, and it goes to Talia Hamilton for displaying awesome listening skills and contributing respectfully throughout intervention this week. Well done, Talia, and that's from Taylor.
All right, and I've got one from Mr. Shanks. To Patience. Patience has made a great start to term 4. Patience has been using her manners towards all staff and students and showing respect in all situations. I am also proud of her for completing a Fontes and Pinnell assessment to start the term. Well done. Fantastic work.
Love hearing about all these school expectations being adhered to. All right. Now it is time for the Specialist Awards. This one is for the seniors for PE, and it goes to Tiani Withers from 56F for being respectful and completing her work to a very high standard throughout remote learning. Your ability to listen to instructions and follow through with the task in a positive mindset has been wonderful to see. A fantastic effort, Tiani. I'm so proud of you, from Mrs. Lachlan.
And I've got the Junior PE Award from Mrs. Lachlan to Katie. Katie, for being respectful and completing her work to a high standard this week. Your ability to listen to instructions and follow through with the task in a positive mindset has been wonderful to see. Keep up the great work, Katie.
Love it. All right, and I have the Junior Art Award now. This one goes to Phoenix Day for his amazing bubble writing, colour blending, and drawings on his Forster Firewall poster. I don't think I can do all of that, Mr. Mazurek.
Nah, I couldn't.
That one's from Mrs. Connick. Well done, Phoenix.
All right, and I've got another one for Tiani from Mrs. Connick. So she is having a smashing week. To Tiani for her amazing Forester Fireballs poster. Well done on your bubble writing and your use of colour blending. It's looking pretty good up there.
Amazing. Oh, what a huge week of learning we've had. Everyone knows that it has been a challenging week this week, but we are so proud of the effort our community has put in. Mr. Mazurek and myself are both very proud of you. So keep up the amazing work, and we can't wait to see a few people back on site next week from the junior space. Take care, guys. Have a great weekend.
Bye.
How do I stop? Oh, there.